Since the very beginning in 1993, Casas del Bosque was intended to be a family-owned boutique winery oriented to produce quality wines. And that's basically what we are selling to the world. So high-quality wines that people can really enjoy and understand. Besides, the high ratings and 90+ points in some publications, being the most awarded Chilean winery 3 years ago, and then Chilean Winery of the Year for 2 years running by International Wine and Spirits was a very big thing, and I think it was a recognition or reward to our dedication and passion to quality and to wine. Chilean wines, Chile has a very long tradition of winemaking since, we are a Spanish colony, and wine was part of our colonization process since the very beginning. So the Spanish brought the vines into the country, and wine has been part of our life forever. This tends to be a very classic industry in the way because of the whole tradition. It's basically at the beginning was a family business. It's not like that anymore, and I'm just not talking about Casas del Bosque specifically. But I think that the challenges in terms of innovation for the industry is to add technology to the process in every single level, and that's basically our main challenge for the upcoming years. The most important thing for us is what we put inside the bottle. That's basically the by far most important thing for us, and we will continue to highlighting the quality over anything else in our culture and in our process. Quality will always be the most important thing in our philosophy and in our way to do things.